Good afternoon, friends. As usual, today we'll be discussing the most important part of fundraising, or to be very specific, we will be discussing different aspects of FCRA. FCRA means Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. So, through this act, an NGO can access foreign funds. Again comes a question. As per this act, it has been clearly mentioned what comes under the foreign sources. So under the foreign sources, we are including certain things. For example, first thing is an individual. A foreigner or a foreign individual can be accessed through FCRA. Second thing is an NGO can access funds from a non-resident Indian. The NRI is also coming under foreign source. A person having dual citizenship means he may be an Indian and at the same time he is also a foreigner, can be coming under the foreign sources. Again, the foreign government is an important foreign source as far as this FCRA is concerned. Again, we are also including some international agencies. They are also coming under foreign source, but here we are not including IMF or World Bank due to some reasons. Next thing is some foreign non-profit organizations can also come under foreign sources. Again, we have also included some corporations or business organizations who are established in foreign countries can also come under the foreign sources. Then finally, we have also included some MNCs, or some MNCs can be also accessed as far as this FCRA is concerned. And when I am speaking about MNCs, the thing is these corporations are operating in more than two countries, and that is why they are treated as multinational corporations. And when I was speaking about corporations, or when I was speaking about corporation, I should call them as charitable corporations, because I need to clarify this. Some non-profit charitable corporations of some foreign countries can also come under the foreign sources. So there are many sources, or there are many things which are coming under foreign sources as far as FCRA is concerned. Again, through this act, government wants to regulate the flow of funds from the foreign source to our countries or to Indian territories, and this act is also subjected to amendment, and it has been amended many times. So the simple thing is, if an NGO is registered through FCRA, is eligible to access foreign funds, which I have already identified. The most important thing is, this is the legal part. Apart from this, as I was discussing, that NGO needs that sort of liaising with these sources so as to access funds from these sources. So this was some ideas about FCRA. In the next video, we will discuss many things about fundraising or financial management in an NGO. So this is for today.